Hi, I'm Martin. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have my second to last order from AliExpress, and I might never order from them again. We'll see how things pan out. I am going to miss the good deals, but prices have already gone up so much. I love these shoes. I'm going to miss getting these shoes. They used to have them in a Can you see the sparkle on those or no? Not like in real life. These are more finished. I have some with actual glitter in green and red and pink. I love them. I use silver shoes with my Smart Dolls quite often, so I thought I'd get a pair. I think I have, I don't know, I thought I ordered a couple pair, but here's one. And what else did I got? Mostly shoes. I figure I can make clothes, but shoes. These were inexpensive. I have one more order coming with boots in it. Aren't these cute? You can cut that loop off, or you can use it with the belt buckle, which is nice because then they really stay on your dolls, especially if you're taking your doll out. No matter how well those shoes fit, I don't know, they seem to come off. Let's see what else I did get. Oh, I'll tell you, like I said, I am really, these are for Winterfest. They're a little bigger than I thought. Let's see. Yeah, those are kind of big. Cute. Cute, cute. Okay. So those are for Winterfest, for the goodie bags. Let's set those here. See what's in this one. Oh, look what Rennie got. That's for my puppy. Does it squeak? It does. I heard it. Oh, here. That's for Rennie. Got that for a couple bucks. I really like these clear rubber bands. I use them in hair and to keep shoes on and a whole bunch of things. And like I said, I got these for my American Indian dolls, my Smart Dolls. Those are the perfect size. Look at those. Oh, yeah, yeah. It was, I got about 100 here. No, I think there's 30. But earrings or necklaces or findings on their outfits, love those. What is this? It keeps catching. Oh, earrings. Oh, cool. One pair of these are for my Amaya Rain. Darren pierces the ears so that hoop earrings can go on. And this is for a collab I'm doing. And I'm not going to show it too close. I want to keep it mysterious. I thought I ordered more. Like I said, I wanted shoes because I can make clothes, but those inexpensive shoes are going to get harder and harder to find. Oh, these are cool. These are sweaters for my Smart Dolls. My Blythes have a lot of, that looks like a little dress. Oh, you know what? That'll fit my boy doll. In fact, I think this was a boy doll sweater. And it does have an opening in the back. I can't pull it right now, but oh yeah, I like that. And I got it in 2 colors. Oh yeah. Those I will try on Thursday night so you can see how they fit. And they were not expensive. Oh, I like those.
And that's our Thursday night live, 6 p.m. Central.
Yeah, everyone's invited. We do trivia and
E-I-E-I-O.
things from around our farm. And
Dolly dress up and chant.
Oh, eyes. Eyes for 1/3 dolls. Very, very cool. Thank you for watching. Do you have an order still coming? Or are you done buying there? Or are you just ignoring all of the tariffs and stuff and just doing what you want to do? Here is the haul 4 pairs of heels, although I think I ordered more silver. I'm going to have to go look at my order.